Good morning, kids. Today we are going to see about wild animals. Where do wild animals live, children? Yes, in the jungle. Where do we see wild animals? Yes, in the zoo. Yes, now let me take you all to the jungle to see the wild animals. Shall we go into the jungle now to see all the wild animals there? Yes. What is this? Lion, mighty lion. What is this, children? Lion. All say, what is this? Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the king of the jungle. Now tell me, what is this? Tiger has dark vertical stripes in its body, and tiger is a national animal too. Now what is this? Elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal with long trunk. What is this? Elephant. All say, what is this? Elephant. Now tell me, what is this, children? Yes, what is this? Zebra. It also has stripes in its body. Now tell me, what is this? Giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. Giraffe has long neck and it is the tallest animal. What is this? All say, children. Giraffe. What is this? Kangaroo. What is this? Kangaroo. Yes, it runs with high speed. Yes, what is this? All say, what is this? Kangaroo. What is this? Kangaroo. Yes. Now tell me, what is this? Deer. Beautiful herd of spotted deers. Yes, what is this? All say deer. Yes. Next, what is this, children? Monkeys. What is this? Monkeys. Now tell me, what do monkeys like to eat? Yes, bananas. Yes, what is this? Monkey. All say, what is this? Monkey. Have you all enjoyed the jungle world, children? Have you all enjoyed? Okay, take care. Bye, kids.